welding with FCW, and steel transfer technology. The interplay between the trans-steel and the self-travelling automation components, the FDVs, functions perfectly. The advantage of the battery-powered longitudinal travel carriage equipped with a permanent magnet are plain to see. Compact, lightweight design, control panel integrated onto the travel carriage, no mains cable necessary, and a single universal torch holder for both manual and machine-type torches. The welding was done here in 3 passes with flux cord wires. Layer 1 at a speed of 5.5 inches per minute, Layer 2 at 6.9 inches per minute, and Layer 3 at 3.9 inches per minute. The Fronius FDVs are highly versatile and can be used in both mechanised and manual applications, for example in structural steel fabrication, shipbuilding and in the construction of tanks and vessels.